Si Mr. Gonzales. Gonzales.
Are you Gonzales?
Pero your image is not.
Are you Gonzales? Huh?
I am Mr. Gonzales.
What's your name? My name is Zeke
Theodore Fajardo
Gonzales.
Gonzales.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Ano mo na yung damit ko?
We came from the church with my third best grandson, Theodore.
Huh?
Wow! Wow, wow, win! Wow, wow, win! Tama-tama. Wow, wow, win!